This is a used 2010 Chevrolet Traverse, powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, an alarm system, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, a trip computer. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.